Chapter 2: Memory and Storage Devices. Introduction. The data and instructions that are entered into the computer system through input devices are to be stored inside the computer in some storage media. A computer has a huge storage capacity. This storage media is known as memory. Computer is measured in terms of bits and bytes. Units of memory. A computer stores all the data and information using only two numbers, 0 and 1, in different sequences. This number system is called the binary system. Each number, i.e., 0 or 1, represents a unit that is called a bit. A set of 8 bits together makes a byte. A computer's memory is measured in bytes. This is the basic unit of a computer's memory. The computer memory is of two types. 1. Internal memory or primary memory. 2. External memory or secondary memory. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, MB. 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte, GB. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabyte, TB. 1024 terabits is equal to 1 petabyte, PB. 0 to 4 PB is equal to 1 exabyte, EB. 1024 EB is equal to 1 zettabyte, ZB. Memory of computer. Internal memory. RAM, ROM. External memory. Hard disk, floppy disk, DVD, CD, pen drive, multimedia card. Internal memory. Internal memory is the main memory of the computer. It is present on the motherboard. The data stored in internal memory is erased when the computer is turned off. It is also known as primary memory. Primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. 1. RAM, random access memory. It is used for holding the data temporarily while the computer is working. All the data stored on the RAM gets erased when the computer is turned off. RAM can transfer data to the CPU at a very high speed and allows it to write and rewrite any number of times. 2. ROM, read-only memory. It holds the instructions given by the manufacturer to operate the computer. It is a permanent memory. Instructions stored on ROM do not get erased when the computer is turned off. When we switch on a computer, the first thing it does is to read instructions from the ROM chip. These instructions enable the computer to start itself. External memory. The external memory or secondary memory is used to store data permanently. The data and information is not lost even when the computer is switched off. It is also known as backup memory or auxiliary memory. All the storage devices are attached to the computer's secondary memory. Secondary storage devices. Magnetic memory devices. Hard disk, floppy disk. Optical memory devices. CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc. Flash memory devices. Pen drive. External hard disk. Let us study some of these devices in detail. 1. Hard disk. It is a data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store information. A hard disk stores large amount of information and data. This is also the main storage device of the computer. It provides relatively quick access to large amounts of data. The hard disk is fitted inside the CPU. Nowadays, hard disk can store up to 2 terabits to 5 terabits of data. 2. CD. CD or compact disc is a digital optical disc data storage device that was co-developed by Philips and Sony and released in 1982. It can store up to 700 megabytes of data and is 4.7 inches in diameter. It can store sound, image, videos, text, graphics, etc. It can be used to take backup of data and software. 3. DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. It is an optical device used for storing data, recording made with high video and sound quality. It was developed by Philips and Sony in 1995. It can store any kind of digital data. DVD is similar to CD in shape and size but can store a huge amount of information. The storage capacity of a DVD varies from 4.1 gigabytes to 17 gigabytes. 4. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a digital optical disc data storage format. It is similar to a DVD but has more storage capacity than a DVD. It can store 25 gigabytes data on its single side and 50 gigabytes on its dual side. Mainly high-quality video files and video games are stored in the Blu-ray disc. The name Blu-ray disc obtained from the blue-violet laser. 5. Pen drive or flash drive. It is a data storage device that includes flash memory with an integrated USB interface. These are portable, removable and rewritable device. It is a plug-and-play device. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. Their storage capacity ranges from 1 gigabyte to 1 terabyte. They have more compact shape, operate fast and hold a large amount of data. 6. Multimedia card. It is a memory card standard used for solid state storage. It was developed by SanDisk and Siemens AG in 1997. It is used as a storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, digital cameras and music players in a form that can easily be removed for access by a computer. It is also used to transfer image, music files and video files into a computer through a USB cable connected to a computer.